This home is in the center hub of Key Largo and within walking distance of the YMCA, Jacobs Aquatic Center, and Key Largo Park and Playground. Key Largo Park and Playground amenities include tennis courts, basketball courts, a skate park, plus 2 baseball diamonds. This variety allows for various outdoor activities and sports, catering to different interests and age groups. The YMCA, Jacobs Aquatic Center, offers various aquatic activities and programs. This includes swimming lessons, water aerobics, and a pirate pool for the younger children. Port Largo Boat Ramp and HOA Park have direct ocean access and are some of the best ramps in Key Largo.